Hello, today we are talking about On His Blindness, a poem written by John Milton. On His Blindness is a poem written by John Milton. The story is the similar as of John Milton as an English poet who by 1655 at the age of 48 was blind. His ability to write was threatened, and as a result, his relationship with God became complicated. In On His Blindness, Milton is struggling to understand what God expected to him now that he is losing his eyesight. The poem on his blindness is an autobiographical sonnet in which he expresses his feeling as a blind person. The poet thinks in the beginning that he will not be able to serve God as his sight is gone. As the poem develops, he begins to believe that God wants him to keep working, in spite of the fact that his job caused him a loss of his eyesight. In the end, he is assured that he is serving God like the angels who just wait for the orders of the God. The poem is written in the Petrarchan rhyme scheme. The poet starts the poem with when. Thus, thus he introduces his idea in the very beginning. According to him, he often thinks that half of his life, or sight, or intelligence have been spent in serving humanity, but now he has lost his eyesight, and so his other half life is dark and now and white, challenging as well. Without eyesight, he cannot write. Thus, it is just a load from the God that he has bestowed on him. The poet laments over this talent means for him now, as without eyesight he cannot use it. Now we come to the second stanza. In these lines, he laments of a poet turns into desire and wonder. He says that he described to serve his maker. Here, maker is the God, but because of his blindness, he cannot do so. He wonders if God still wants to serve him, in spite of the fact that his light and sight is gone. The poet says that this foolish thought often haunted him. Then in the third stanza, the poet says that when such foolish thoughts come into his mind, the patience at once comes to reply that the work of man does not please God, but who best bear his mild yoke. This is the quote from the poem, who best bear his mild yoke. The one who remains patient and content with what he has is most likely liked by him. God has used kingdom, and there are thousands of angels who remain in motion to carry God's order. They never take rest. The poet compares them with those who have the talent and use it to serve God. According to poet, there are some other angels also who serve him just by standing and waiting before God. According to him, their service is equally valuable to God as that of the first category of angels. The poet compares himself with the later angels who just keep patience. Thus, in the end of the poem, poem, the poet is quite satisfied as he is also serving God just by keeping patience. On his blindness is Sonnet 19. This is in Petrarchan style, rhyming A B B A, A B B A, C D E, C D E. It is written in iambic pentameter and it is separated into one octave of 8 lines and one sestet of remaining 6 lines. Actually, it is not a mere poem. It is the inner voice of a man who has resigned himself entirely to the will of God and depends only on his mercy and justice. This sonnet is written in the first person, therefore, it is easy to assume that the speaker is the poet himself. Like outstanding characteristic of all great and good poetry, the sonnet has a universal appeal for from being mere poem. It is barely a divine message and afflicted people of the world. The poem is rich in noble ideas, sublime thoughts, and unbounded bliss. The raises it raises very high in public estimation and makes him immortal. Milton has used two very effective poetic devices in this poem, allegory and personification. An allegory is a short story in which events and characters stand for same other situation and people. In this poem, the persona I may poet persona I may represent all the human being having eyes but spiritually in darkness. Personification, on the other hand, is a technique in which abstract concepts and qualities such as love, hatred, jealousy are represented as person. In this sonnet, Milton has personified patience, which speaks to him and him from dilemma. Hence, this is a unique and remarkable poem written by Milton. Thank you.